Hello there, welcome to another video by RA Solutions. In this particular video what we're going to be doing is using a feature from Google called reverse image search. There's other websites that use a similar feature, but I'm going to use the one from Google for this one. Obviously there's been times where people have used social media and they put images on there, but they're worried that those pictures might be being used in other websites or on other websites. So this reverse image search, what it does is check that image to see if that image is being used elsewhere. Now I've been searching the internet and I found this image on Google of this Apple computer here. What I'm going to do is save this image. So I'm going to right click, save it onto my desktop for this video, just as for this example here. So that that photo has now been saved onto my desktop. If I open up a new tab in on Google Chrome, if I go to the URL images.google.com, that will take me to the reverse image section of Google, and the option we need to select here from the three that are available to you, there's one that says search by image, search by voice, and the third one is a magnifying glass there where you could just do a simple search. We need to click on the one that says search by image. Now what we do here is upload the image we've just saved. So for example, if I want to see if that Apple computer is being used elsewhere on the internet, I need to upload that image here. So choose the file, find where I saved it. That was where I saved it, onto my desktop here. Click on open, and what Google will do, it will upload that file on the internet and it will go through some algorithms trying to find where that image is saved or where that image is stored or being used by another website on the internet. Now it shows in the results quite a few links here, quite a few websites, as you can see, where that image is being used by different websites. If I go onto page 2 in Google, you can see lots of different websites where it's using that same image. Let me click on a random website there, and somewhere on this website, there you go, you can see that exact same image is being used by that website there, and that was the original image, and you can see it's exactly the same there. So if you're worried that you're using social media, you've got your pictures out there and you want to check whether that picture is being used elsewhere, you can with this really nifty tool called reverse image search. Hope this video has helped. Please like, subscribe and share.